Hey, YouTubers, we're back again. We're doing a test of the difference between the boosts. We're going to use one of the 50 times and two of the 500 times and see if it's better than using one of the 500 times and two of these. First, we're going to upgrade this. I'm doing them both from the same spot just so we can tell for sure. As you can see, all the research is done. All of these are built. Only thing left to upgrade, the hen housing, and then away we go. Alright, so here we go. We've got these built, and we're going to boost up. Alright, so for the boost, we're going to do one of the 50 times, two of the 5 times, one of these ones, and one of the 50 times. And we're going to see if that's better than using two of the feed and one of the 500 soul egg collectors. So it'll give us 10 minutes to do it, and this will be the first test, which is 2 soul beacon. Because that's 2, 3, 4, 5 boosts. I'm using the tachyon because I'm not going all the way up to 13 billion and then doing it again. Hell of that. To make the test fair, we're going to be using the same of these on both of them. Right now it's set up for research, but, well, it's all done, so we're still going to keep it because it's got the running egg in there. That helps. Those running eggs definitely help because it's a multiplier for the soul eggs, too. Alright, so it's been a billion chickens. Let's see where we're at. 136 quadrillion. Okay. Now, we got to take it all the way to the end. Trying to keep the chicken running boost here. Max the entire time. See? I'm pretty sure I've done this before, but not on camera, where the 2 times the 50, paid off more soul eggs than the soul beacon times 500. Which doesn't seem like it should, but we'll see. That's why we're doing it now, just to test it out and find out for certain. Alright. Boop-a-doop-a-doo. We'll look around here. Yep, there's a bunch of chickens and they're running. And, oops, I ran out of my chicken running boost, which is a green chicken line under the price there. You can see it says 4.9 or 5 QV a second. I'm guessing Quinvigillion. And we're pretty much almost there. Now, something I could do, or you could do, to drag it out more, is wait to the very end and then get rid of this. That's one way to get up there and try to do it as long as possible. See, I like doing it this way because it's nice, easy, lazy, and effective. Let's see. Where are we at now? Still only at 200. Alright, let's see. Just doing this. We've done a bunch in a while. I know it's been a minute since I've been back on. I've been playing some other games, and they don't translate well to YouTube yet. Well, I guess it might. Yeah, they probably would. I just haven't done it yet. Alright. Sesquigillion. Sesquigillion. Okay. Apparently that's how much money we got now. Oh, and the only booster we got here is a 2 times cash. We got the video thing going, of course. We only have one of these. That's filling up. Alright, okay. So after this one's done, what we're going to do is I'm going to jump back to this one again and do it all over. I might have to post the video, delete it from my phone, and then, make it happen, you know what I mean? Just to make room to record it. I'll try to see how far I can get without it, but I'm pretty sure I'll need to do this in 2 videos. Basically, the second video will be the same thing, but 2 of those and 1 of these. We're just checking out the difference right now. And I don't have my gusset on, so we're only going to 11.34. And because of the way these are set up, it'll take 7 minutes for this, and then I'll jump to the next one so I can jump to right back to the universe farm. Alright, here we go. Because I remember doing this, but I'm curious which was actually more profitable when it comes to the soul eggs. So we're just going to do them both out right now and find out for certain. No waiting, no muss, no fuss, just bada bing, bada boom. Is it? It is. Or it isn't. One way to find out for certain. Alright. I'm afraid to check. Usually I don't do this except on, double prestige day. But I'm willing to do it today because my dilithium is full and I need to switch to antimatter anyways. So I might as well. Got it. I also got to clean out my artifacts. I don't know if any of y'all do the artifacts daily or any of that, but if you go through here, starts off all right. Oh yeah, look, keeping up with it until you get to screen and screen and screen and screen and no, look at it, keeps going and going and going and going and going, and that's a mess I gotta clean up. But you gotta do them one at a time, so it takes forever. So I really just haven't bothered yet. I'm pretty sure I can get some cool gems from it and attach it to stuff. Maybe get this a little bit faster. Oh crap, it got away. But I haven't. I didn't need that anyways. Alright, and that's max. Any more you get after this is negligible. So we got 318.7. Okay, remember that number, 318.7. Oh, 381.7. Well, that's nothing. I think the other one's way is going to win, hands down. I'm just going to jump to the top one we can do. And go, go, go. We still got like 2 minutes of these boosts at least. That'll help jump us to the next one. We'll just do this real quick. I'll leave this on the video. This is usually stuff I leave out, I think. Or maybe I've done it before. I don't know. Oh, no. Keep going, keep going. Alright, faster, faster. Now, what we want to do here is we want to make it so we definitely get to the universe one without having to jump around and do any extra levels that we don't want to do, because this is about speed, efficiency, getting her done. Alright, okay, we're almost there. Okay. Actually, are we there? We're there. Okay, never mind. And then we'll just go here. Bam. Okay. Now we're already back here. I'm going to try to do this in one video, I guess. Or maybe just get it set up and then stop it and do the other video. Because I don't think my recording time is going to last that long. I don't know why I'm doing that. That doesn't affect this at all. Alright. Now this is a setup you missed for the first one. Basically, I'm just going through, buying out all the research. And and here we go. Can't see. Alright, okay, we're almost done here. Hold on. This one takes forever. Alright, here we go. And after this, I'm just gonna stop it, restart the video. I'll upload it, and then I'll upload the other one right afterwards, so it'll be a two-part special. But it'll both be like, today, like right now, in a minute. Alright. And these, upgrade everything all the way. And this part here takes forever. Probably should do it off of the screen, but meh. Alright, here we go. I do 3 at a time. I have no idea how anybody else does this. And just done. Probably do it the same exact way because, why not? Alright, almost done. Alright. And whatever this is should give us enough money to finish the research. Okay, that's done. Now, the only thing left to do is this, but I'm going to end this video here, and we'll see you next time.